In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend multiple friends on Facebook. And we want to use a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome. But in my case, I'm going to use Vivaldi web browser. It works just as fine. And first, you want to log in to your Facebook account on this browser. And then you want to go to your extensions setting. And when you're there, you just go to Open Chrome Web Store, and we will search for the extension that is called Mass Friends Deleter, and we could see it here, and we will be installing it to Chrome, or click Add to Chrome. Well, in my case, I already have it installed, so I will just click on the icon and then click Select All, and I could select which of my friends I want to unfriend, and after that, I'll just click Remove Friends. And that is how you unfriend multiple friends on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.